QNT at the time of this recording continues to hold within our key area of support that lies between the 62.5 and the $57.8, and all this is playing out after we saw an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the $70, and then we started a bit of a slight pullback to the lower side. And on today's video, I will be discussing the most significant key areas of support that we need to continue holding above, discuss a potential breakout for the next coming hours, and then discuss my long-term price prediction analysis, where we have the risk of making new bear market lows in the next coming days here on the QNT chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange. And you can see on sign up, you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT. And all you need for registration is an email address, and alternatively, you can use your phone number for registration. Getting back to the charts, allow me to start the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 4th of November, when we started a very impulsive movement to the upside in a move that peaked above the $70.6, completing the formation of this impulsive Elliott Wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of a corrective Elliott Wave count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliott Wave count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the 62.5 and the $57.9, the area that I have marked here on the charts using these yellow markings. And you can all see that we have now fully maximized the target area, and we have also continued to hold within this target area. And there are two possible scenarios that can play out in the next coming hours. And the first one is that we are going to see a reaction of this target area, since the area is also acting as support, give us a bounce to the upside, manage to break above our key area of resistance above the $69.1, and also manage to break above the significant high we made in this wave 1 above the $70.6. And the moment that plays out, that will be confirming the start of another impulse to the upside in an Elliott Wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $84.6. Then we can expect a slight pullback in an Elliott Wave count 4, then continue pushing even higher in an Elliott Wave count 5. The alternative scenario is that there are high chances that we can also see a total breakdown move, losing this yellow target area, flipping it back into resistance. And the moment that plays out, I will be expecting to see QNT give us a reset of the low that we made on the 4th of November below the $54.5. And the moment we get a reset of that significant low, that will be increasing the likelihood that we are going to continue seeing further breakdown moves, giving us a reset of the low that we made on the 5th of August at $50. We also need to have in mind that on the daily chart, there are high chances that in the next coming days, we are going to see a total breakdown move on the QNT chart, giving us a reset of the bear market lows. And that is better explained using the Elliott Wave structures, where I believe that after making our bear market lows, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, where we first peaked in this 5-wave structure in a move that peaked above the $229, completing the formation of this Elliott Wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott Wave count 2, whose minimum pullback target areas I have marked on the chart using this retarget area, an area that we have now fully maximized. And that target area, I came up with it by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, where you can see that the target area lies between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78. an area that we have not fully maximized. And basing my analysis on the Elliott Wave structures, it said that we need to continue holding above the fib level 0.88, and that is above the $62.6 here on the QNT chart, for us to still consider that as a pullback in an Elliott Wave count 2. And you can all see that at the moment we are slightly holding above the fib level 0.88, and that means that in the next coming days, if by any chance we lose that area on the Fibonacci's, then we can easily see a total breakdown move, in a move that will easily give us a reset of the bear market lows at $40.3 in the next coming days. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.